In this video, I'll show you how to fix Samsung TV grayed out picture. So a quick fix to this is to factory reset the picture settings on Samsung TV. The first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and press the home button on your remote control and then go to settings. Navigate to all settings and then select picture and then expert settings. Select reset picture and this will restore all picture settings to the factory default. That's basically how you can simply factory reset the picture settings on Samsung TV, which is the solution to fixing the Samsung TV grayed out picture. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.